Okay, here and then. Okay. Oh, no.
It's almost done, your download, just a little bit.
Oh, so that's just to put the back on. Already done that. Oh, so basically the first few just had to put on the.
Yeah. And then you add the connector pegs behind the brick.
Oh, Oh no.
So you add 2 connector pegs, black connector pegs. You hold it so the Lego, which says Lego on here, it's at the bottom. Then you put it on these 2 corners.
Okay. Looks like it's an L shape.
Yes, a L beam, a 15 beam, a 3 module connector peg.
15. Oh. 15. Okay, I have a 15. It's like a red. It looks like a torch.
Okay.
Oh. I need to.
The 15 beam and 13 beam look so similar. So you have to make sure, count and make sure you get the 15 beam.
Okay. Oh, it's like. Oh, and you connect it to. Going to be this side. I didn't want, did I?
Show me what you have so far.
Oh, so nothing connects. Okay.
So it's just connected only by the connector peg, the black connector peg.
Hold on. Video. And then the black connect. Okay.
Show me.
I should probably take. Can you?
Okay. Yes. Yeah.
I just need to find it. Okay, another 15. Another, oh, wait, did we just rebuild the thing?
No, I mean, like, yes, kind of, but then like.
Oh, but it's like a little different.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I didn't put it on the other one. Okay, so it's on the other side.
Yes.
Oh, so it's literally the exact same way to put it on.
Yeah.
Okay. So the 30.
So this is you get a blue 3-module connector peg, and then you use a connector. So once you connect it, it should turn. It should you should be able to turn it free. Okay, it's shouldn't have too much friction to it.
Oh, it downloaded.
Awesome.
I'll move this to the. It's gonna take a while. I'm gonna put that. So here.
Yes. Okay, so that's good. It's turning, right? That's nice.
Oh, hold on, it's stuck on the. Oh, so we need a.
A large motor.
Okay, so a large motor. I'll just use this one. Now I'm gonna make sure nothing's on it.
So make sure you have it turned in the right direction. Like for instance, it should be, see, look here, this part should be all the way up. So this, don't put it on the reverse by putting it on the other side.
Okay. Okay. So now this is empty.
Mm-hmm.
We need Oh, this one. Alright, so not on this. Okay. Which one is that's a 6? Definitely not a 6. Definitely not a 6. Something that's slightly big. Okay. Okay, so here's one.
Okay, show me what you have got so far.
Something that's slightly big. Okay.
Yes. So that is a 6-axle.
Okay,
So make
here's
sure
one.
you get a
Show me
6-axle.
what you have got so far. Something that's slightly big. Okay.
Yes. So it has a bush on one side and you have a black gear on the other side.
Oh yeah, I did it on accident.
You got it. Wow, you're already on step 10.
It's a mini. Oh yes. Right?
So it's installing, the software is installing.
Here, should I press next or
Mhm.
student edition is complete? Okay. So
So
is this
Brandon,
real?
finish the next 20 steps, finish till step 30 and finish the tutorials for making animation and then changing the display on the EV3 programming device and then how to turn the motors.
Okay.
So, and I'll see you again next week on Tuesday.
Okay.
No, this week, Thursday. I'll see you on Thursday.
Okay.
You think you'll be able to finish the 20 steps and the tutorials on make code?
I should be.
Okay then. So see you on Thursday. Bye-bye.
Bye.